Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson we are learning about pictograms. Pictograms are charts that use pictures or symbols to represent data. Each picture stands for a certain number of items. For example, 1. Picture might represent 2 apples or 5 students. Pictograms are great for showing simple data in a fun and visual way. They make it easy to compare quantities and understand information quickly. To read a pictogram, we always check the key, which tells us how much each symbol stands for. Example, if the key says 1 picture equals 2 people and there are 3 pictures, then the total is 6 people. Sometimes we can have half pictures too for smaller values. To draw a pictogram, we start by collecting data, then decide which symbol we will use and how much it represents. We draw the pictures in neat rows or columns with clear labels and a key at the bottom or side. Pictograms can be used in many real-life situations, like showing favorite fruits, number of pets, or types of transport people use. Let us look at an example. If the key says 1, picture equals 2 students. And we have categories like apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. Then we can show how many students chose each fruit by drawing the right number of pictures. Pictograms are especially helpful for young learners and for making data easy to understand. That is all for this lesson on pictograms. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.